EASTECH Technocentric Varsity is very, very excited to be part of this groundbreaking initiative in partnership with SASSETA, University of Venda, and Department of Correctional Services. It's a groundbreaking initiative because it's meant to capacitate the parolees in artisanal skills. We joined this partnership because we have the view that EASTECH Technocentric University is well positioned because it's one of the leading private institutions in training. We have the view that it will contribute significantly towards a decade of artisan, which the government of South Africa declared in 2014 to 2024. We are very happy to welcome the parolees and give them a second chance that will allow them to rebuild themselves, to rediscover themselves, particularly in their career advancement. They are known and called by many people as they were in exile. In many instances, people call them by curse or call them by names. They don't want them. But EASTECH Technocentric University is saying this is a very important initiative for us to be part and parcel of human resource development for the economy of the country.
For the Department of Correctional Services, together with SASSETA, University of Venda, EASTECH Technocentric Varsity, have collaborated in order to empower 220 parolees who are in this program. It is very important for us because we are dealing with the issue of reducing the rate of unemployed in the country. Instead of just giving employment, we are teaching them and empowering them to learn the skills so that they will be employable or they start their own business. It is important because we will be reducing overcrowding in our institution and we will be curbing crime. Crime is very high in the country, and now we are focusing on parolees. And in relation to parolees, we've got 54,000 in the country, and therefore we have taken 220 now that will be involved in the program.
We're very excited and saying the 54,000 remaining parolees that the Department of Correctional Services has in their books must all come here. We must be able to train them in their career advancement. We are saying hashtag give me a second chance and the hashtag zero dropout. No one must be left behind. Thank you very much.